5 habits that kill sexual stamina and how to fix them. Do you ever wonder why your energy runs out too quickly in the bedroom? You're not alone. Most men don't realize that everyday habits are silently killing their stamina, confidence, and performance. But the good news is, you can fix them. In this video, I'll reveal 5 common habits that are destroying your sexual stamina and how you can turn things around starting today. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss powerful tips to boost your health, energy, and confidence. Poor sleep habits. Number 1, not getting enough sleep. You might think skipping a few hours of rest won't hurt, but lack of quality sleep directly lowers testosterone levels, increases stress hormones, and kills your energy. Studies show that men who sleep less than 6 hours regularly can experience up to a 15% drop in testosterone. That means less drive, weaker stamina, and poor recovery. Prioritize 7 to 8 hours of deep sleep every night. Create a bedtime routine. Switch off screens an hour before bed. Keep your room dark and cool, and go to bed at the same time daily. Sleep is your natural performance enhancer. Don't sacrifice it. Too much screen time. And porn. Number 2, excessive screen time, especially porn. Overuse of pornography rewires the brain's reward system, makes real intimacy less exciting, and reduces your ability to last longer. Combine that with sitting for long hours on screens, and your blood circulation suffers too, which is critical for stamina. Cut down your screen time, especially late at night. If porn has become a habit, take a break. Focus on real connection, physical touch, and intimacy. For better circulation, stand up and move every 45 minutes. Even light activity keeps blood flowing and your stamina strong. Poor diet choices. Number 3, healthy eating. Too much junk food, fried snacks, and sugary drinks drain your stamina by spiking and crashing your energy levels. Over time, this leads to weight gain, clogged arteries, and reduced blood flow, of which directly affect performance in bed. Fuel your body with stamina-boosting foods, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, fruits, lean proteins, and plenty of water. Omega-3 south from fish or walnuts improves circulation, while zinc from pumpkin seeds and oysters supports testosterone. A clean diet equals clean energy in the bedroom. Lack of exercise. Number 4, not moving your body enough. Physical inactivity weakens the cardiovascular system, makes you feel sluggish, and reduces stamina. Remember, sexual performance is like a workout. If your heart and lungs aren't strong, you won't last long. Exercise at least 4 to 5 times a week. Focus on cardio like running, cycling, or swimming to build endurance. Add strength training for power and stability. And don't forget specific exercises like Kegels. They strengthen pelvic floor muscles, which directly improves stamina and control. High stress and anxiety. Number 5, chronic stress and performance anxiety. Stress releases cortisol, the hormone that fights against testosterone. Anxiety also distracts your mind, making you lose focus and energy quickly. In the bedroom, mental stress can be just as damaging as physical weakness. Manage stress through mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing. Even 10 minutes of daily meditation can lower cortisol and improve focus. Another powerful tip: disconnect from work and phones before intimacy. Be present with your partner, and you'll notice stamina improving naturally. So let's quickly recap the 5 habits that are silently killing your sexual stamina. Poor sleep habits. Too much screen time and porn. Poor diet choices. Lack of exercise. High stress and anxiety. The fixes are simple, but powerful: better sleep, less screen time, clean diet, regular exercise, and managing stress. Once you take control of these areas, you'll not only boost stamina, but also your confidence, energy, and overall quality of life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly tips. Share this video with a friend who might need it, and drop a comment below. Which of these 5 habits do you struggle with the most? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.